Hi Cocos. I am Stick Ice. Your favorite. We are going to see the second case in Fruitville. Come on, let's see how did the officer finds it. Watch and enjoy.
Hey Apple, did you see little pineapple Mia? She is missing from morning.
We have a new case finding Mia, Pineapple's little daughter. Come on Cocos, let's search.
Hello Cocos and Banana Officer. I saw her playing near the ground and Mango was talking with her.
Hey Mango, did you see little pineapple Mia? She is missing from morning.
Hello Cocos and Banana Officer. Yes, she came to play, but then ran off with Kiwi on the way.
Hey Kiwi, did you see little pineapple Mia? She is missing from morning.
Hello Cocos and Banana Officer. She rode with me till the juice stall, then jumped off like a bouncing ball.
Hey Lemon, did you see little pineapple Mia? She is missing.
Hello Cocos and Banana Officer. Oh yes. Mia had some juice and danced around. Last I saw, she ran toward the school playground.
I am lemon juicy and cool. She smiled and skipped off from my stool.
Hey Cherry Kids, did you see little pineapple Mia? She is missing from morning.
Hello Cocos and Banana Officer. We saw her playing near the seesaw with Plum driving by in the fruit school van.
We're Cherry Kids smiling loud. We saw Mia lost in the crowd.
Hey Plum, did you see little pineapple Mia? She is missing from morning.
Hello Cocos and Banana Officer. Yes sir, I saw her chasing a balloon. And then I think she followed Grapes into a classroom.
Hey Grapes, did you see little pineapple Mia?
Hello Cocos and Banana Officer. I saw her peek into the class, but she ran when the bell rang. Maybe Strawberry saw her last.
Hey Strawberry, did you see little pineapple Mia? She is missing from morning.
Hello Cocos and Banana Officer. I was treating kids when she peeked and giggling, then ran off toward the bakery smelling muffins.
I am Strawberry, calm and kind. She sniffed the air and left behind.
Hey Blueberry Twins, did you see little pineapple Mia? She is missing from morning.
Hello Cocos and Banana Officer. Yes. Mia came in for cupcakes, but oops. She dropped her ribbon and ran toward the market's fruit crate.
Hey Pineapple, when did you last see your little pineapple Mia? Do you have doubts on anyone?
Oh no. My sweet little Mia. She was here with me, suddenly she has disappeared. Maybe the mayor or Jackfruit knows something.
Hey Mayor Watermelon, did you see little pineapple Mia? She is missing from morning.
Hello Cocos and Banana Officer. I saw Jackfruit sneaking behind the stalls with something wrapped in a towel. Could that be Mia?
Hey Jackfruit, did you see little pineapple Mia? She is missing from morning.
Hello Cocos and Banana Officer. What? Are you kidding? I didn't do anything. Don't make me nervous. Okay. I just wanted to play with her a little.
Mia! There you are! We were so worried.
Hello Cocos and Banana Officer. I was hiding and playing. Jackfruit gave me cookies.
Mia, your mama was so worried. Jackfruit, next time ask, don't hide.
I am Banana, brave and true. Found sweet Mia thanks to you.
Hello Cocos. I am Rose Milk. Your favorite too. Hope you enjoyed this. I see many watch the videos and miss to like and subscribe. Please, like it and subscribe. It helps us to bring you more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.